I'm Sriniket and welcome back to the channel. So this is the second episode of the auto update series which is regarding the upcoming bikes and cars which will be launched in the Indian market after this lockdown gets over or even during this lockdown period in the online form. So today let's talk about the upcoming BS6 versions of the BMW G310R and G310 GS, the entry level offerings from BMW Motorrad in India. Let's get started. Before talking about the upcoming BS6 versions of these bikes, we have to keep in mind a few things, which are that the outgoing BS4 versions of these bikes didn't do very well in the Indian market. And there are a few obvious reasons for that. The first reason being the ridiculously higher price tags of these bikes compared to the competition. BMW charged quite a significant premium compared to even the direct sibling of these bikes, which is the Apache RR310 from TVS, which is essentially the same bike underneath. The second reason being the comparatively lacking features list of these bikes compared to the competition, despite costing quite a bit more than the other bikes in the 300cc segment. These were the few obvious reasons because of which the sales figures of these bikes remained quite a bit low. But now BMW is trying to solve this problem by updating the BS6 versions of these bikes and giving a lot more features compared to the BS4 versions. So now let's check out what's new on the upcoming BS6 versions of these entry-level bikes from BMW. Recently, the spy shots of the test mules of these BS6 310s emerged on the internet, and by these images we can clearly see that both the 310R and the 310GS will now finally get an LED headlamp setup, which is a positive thing because the owners of the previous BS4 310s complained a lot about the intensity and the overall performance of the headlamp assemblies being not that impressive. Apache RR310 got a fully colored TFT display in the name of the BS6 update. And based on the fact that these 310cc bikes are based on the same platform, the BMW 310s will definitely get a fully colored TFT display with a different configuration compared to the RR310 in the BS6 update. Again, just like the Apache RR310, the 4 new riding modes will definitely be offered on the 310cc's from BMW. I've explained these 4 riding modes in detail in my recent BS6 Apache RR310 review video, which you can watch by clicking the link appearing up top. Now the additional catalytic converter which is necessary to comply with the BS6 emission norms won't be visible on these bikes because in the RR310 as well, the converter has been cleverly confined into the end can of the exhaust itself, so it is not visible as a separate unit other than the exhaust end can. The same will be definitely seen on these BS6 310s from BMW. One more great thing is that the power and torque figures will remain unaffected just like the BS6 RR310. The BS4 versions, for instance, produce 34 PS of peak power and 27 Newton meters of peak torque. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention one more mechanical update, which is the ride-by-wire technology, which will also be included in the BS6 update on both the 310s, just like most of the other 300cc bikes which are available nowadays. Let's continue with the video. The cosmetic updates will include new paint schemes on both the 310R and the 310GS. The specific spy shot you're seeing here is of a matte grey 310R, which I personally think looks the best compared to any other paint scheme on the 310R. Other than that, it might get new decals to signify the BS6 update on these bikes. Now the most important question which all of you guys are eagerly waiting for, which is the price cut on these bikes. Now, quite a few guys on the internet are speculating that the price cut will be around 75,000 rupees for both the 310R and the 310GS. I personally think that that is a distinct possibility because BMW always tries to price their bikes at quite a premium price, just like on the BS4 versions, and tries to keep their bikes a bit rare compared to the competition and thus maintaining the brand image at the cost of the sales figures. So a realistic price cut of around 35 to 40,000 rupees would be more predictable. That's only and only to maintain the exclusivity of BMW Motorrad as a brand. So that's pretty much it. That was a quick update on the upcoming BS6 BMW 310s from my side. Let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on these upcoming BMWs. And also let me know how I am in this new format, as this format being the new type of video for my channel. So that's pretty much it from my side. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be bringing more and more auto updates in the coming days. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.